Hi there guys and girls, good midnight. Take a look at this rice. They cook and then they didn't eat this one. How come that they throw this in the middle of the street in the middle of midnight? They don't really know that this is God's blessings. I told you guys, don't waste food. So how can I get this? Hold on guys. Oh my god, they're so pathetic and it's already spoiled. There are ants doing their festivity. I don't want this to be hit by car. Oh gosh. See that? Oh my gosh. Hold on, Kitty. Oh no. They wasted money. Oh gosh. Lord, please bear with them. Forgive them. For they don't know what they're doing. So don't do this guys, okay? Don't waste food.